Meaning of inflexible.
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 Inflexible. The term inflexible refers to someone or something that is unwilling or unable to change, adapt, or bend in response to new or different circumstances. An inflexible person or system may be rigid, stubborn, or unyielding in their beliefs, actions, or behaviors, even when faced with evidence or feedback that suggests they should reconsider their approach. This inflexibility can lead to limited thinking, missed opportunities, and difficulty in achieving goals or resolving problems. It can also create tension and conflict in relationships with others who may have different perspectives or needs.